Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at a few practice sums based on classification of triangles based on sides as well as based on angles. Let's look at the first sum. Name the types of following triangles. We will classify these triangles based on measure of the side and based on measure of the angle as well. Let's start with A. And first one is side 7, 8 and 9 centimeter, different measurement of sides, which means it is a scalene triangle. Now let's look at the next one. Can we make out what type of triangle it is based on angles from the given information? No, we cannot say that. Triangle ABC, AB is 8.7, AC is 7 and BC is 6. Again we see they are all different sides. None of them are equal, and hence even in this case it is a scalene triangle. Can we make out the based on angles classification here? No, we don't have sufficient information to talk about that. The third one, triangle PQR is such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR. All the sides equal means it is an equilateral triangle. Can we determine the classification based on angles? Yes, because equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degrees, which are less than 90. That means this is an acute angle triangle. Okay. Next one, triangle DEF with measure of D is 90. We don't have any information on the sides, so we cannot do here based on sides. So we'll do based on angle. Based on angle, it is right angle triangle because one angle is 90 degree. So it is right angle triangle. Okay. E, triangle XYZ where angle Y is 90. So that gives us, based on angles, it is a right angle triangle. And XY is equal to YZ. That means two sides are equal, which means it is an isosceles triangle as well. What about the last one? Measure of angle L is 30, measure of angle M is 70 and measure of angle N is 80. All the three angles are acute angles. That means this is certainly an acute angle triangle. And one more thing is that their measures are not equal, and that means it must also be a scalene triangle. Let's do the next one. Match the following. One side we have measure of triangles and type of triangle. So three sides of equal length. Three sides of equal length is equilateral triangle. So it is an equilateral triangle. Two sides of equal length is certainly an isosceles triangle. All the sides are of different length. That is a scalene triangle. Three acute angles. So that is an acute angle triangle. One right angle. So it is a right angle triangle. One obtuse angle triangle. It's an obtuse angle triangle. And last one right angle with two sides of equal length. So two sides are equal length. It is isosceles triangle. Oh, we made a small mistake. So let's correct that. So we have said isosceles right angle. That's wrong here. This is an isosceles right angle. And which means two sides, this gives us here isosceles triangle. Okay, let's do the next one. Try to construct triangles using matchsticks. Some are shown here. Can you make a triangle with 3 matchsticks? Let's see. I have one matchstick, I have 2 matchsticks. I have 3 matchsticks of equal length, and yes, I can make a triangle. So 3 matchsticks, yes, I can make a triangle, and all the sides are equal, so it is an equilateral triangle. And equilateral triangle is always an acute angle triangle. Okay, next one, 4 matchsticks. We'll do that later. Let's talk about 5 matchsticks. So I have 1 matchstick here, I have 2nd here, I have 3rd here, same way 4th and 5th. And yes, I can make a triangle using 5 matchsticks. And if you see here, 2 sides are equal. 2 sides are equal in length, and hence we will call this as isosceles triangle. What about the angles? To me, they appear to be all acute angles. Now I have 6 matchsticks. I can do 1 here and here. So I can make an equilateral triangle, or I can also make is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. I can also make an acute angle triangle or a scalene triangle like this. So yes, I can make. So I can make equilateral, or I can make scalene triangle as well. Now what about 4? 4, I have 3. If I add one more, so let's say I have one side 1, other side 1, and this side 2, no, I can't. So I have 2 this side, then 1. If I have to put the remaining 1, then I have to put them same way. So it doesn't make any triangle. So with 4 matchsticks, I am not able to make a triangle. The reason for this, we are going to learn in next standard. In a triangle, sum of 2 sides has always to be greater than the 3rd side. So what all options I have options of 1, 1, 2. And in this case, sum of these 2 sides, 1 plus 1, is not greater than the 3rd side. They are equal to the 3rd side. And hence I cannot make a triangle. We will learn this in our next standard in detail. But at this point in time, just remember that with 4 matchsticks, we will not be able to make a triangle. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.